If I think about privacy by design, especially in an AI project, I personally think this is true for any type of project. The idea is to think about the type of data that might be collected or used in the tool and in the algorithm. So we're thinking about the data collection, the data use. We're trying to understand what type of system it's going in. And around that, we're going to be thinking about security measures. We're going to be thinking about, can I use this data? And then, should I use this data? It is always easier to ask those kinds of questions and make any adjustments that might need to be made at the beginning of a project. If you have it all created and then there's some type of question about the algorithm or maybe how the data is being presented or how the data is being used, it's going to be a lot harder to unwind code or have to redo a customer interface. Planning in advance for anything always saves time and money and resources, and also tends to make sure that we're thinking holistically about privacy here, security, bias from an AI point of view. And when we do that first, we're also not rushed and we might not miss anything. In a variety of different use cases. So we could think about personal information that might be used. HR is a really common one. So maybe we're going to be trying to analyze a group of resumes. Well, if we were to think about what type of information might be okay to use first and review versus what type of information might create bias. Well, then we can think in advance, have those discussions, be able to build the algorithm appropriately, or build in additional safeguards. So I have some companies that will say a human has to review to spot check, or you only can take this information, certain pieces of information from a resume, but you can't take other pieces of information. Having that discussion first is an example of privacy by design. And then they're able to build a use case and a product and a service that works well for the company and for the individual.